fairness, siya mismo may sariling may angas talaga.
True.
So parang without you, parang he would make it on his own.
Thank
So
you,
parang iniiba mo yung yung image mo. Ganun ba yun?
First of all, this movie came about 2 years ago, even before he started out in the business. And with Hele, sa Hiwagang Hapis with Love Diaz, it was an opportunity na hindi ko po pwedeng pakawalan. Of course, working with John Lloyd. There's no any conscious effort from my end to do something different because my job as an actor is to do roles na talaga magcha-challenge sa akin. I'm just happy and content with what I have with the station, with ABS-CBN, that even if I am under contract, exclusive contract with ABS, they allow me to do things that I really want to do out of the box, just to give me the chance to diversify. But career-wise, hindi ko naman po iniisip na gawin yun para mapaiba ako sa anak ko because I really enjoy what I do. Sometimes, miski wala akong tulog, para lang mapagbigyan mo ang isang proyekto na gustong-gusto mo, gagawin mo kasi mahal mo yung ginagawa mo. Not because I want my career to advance. It's also hard to do something like this because sometimes, more often than not, hindi na nakikita na maraming tao yung ginagawa mo, especially in indie films. And that's what I wanna, I guess, put out there, in our community kasi napakadaming magagandang konsepto sa indie films na hindi napapanood ng mga tao. So yun po yung sanang gusto kong gawin na if you guys watch mainstream movies of mainstream actors, then there are also legitimate films that are worth your 2 hours in a day that you have to see for yourself. So if that's my way of reaching out to the community, to the audiences na para mas maging interesting pa yung indie, I'll do everything I can kahit mahirap po sa schedule. But not